Today we learned how to copy from the Excel spreadsheet data. So firstly, you use the Excel command from the automation anywhere. So just we drag the Excel command and use the open spreadsheet. And here is pass the path. So my Excel spreadsheet on desktop, employee details. So just open. And if you need to specify this sheet name, so just click on. Otherwise, it's okay. And just click on the save button. And also we need close the spreadsheet command, save, and we just use the create the variables in my spreadsheet where is the four column ID, name, age, and company. So firstly we create the variables like okay. So I just created four variables: V is V company, V ID, and V name. So just use the loop command, uh, and you already we need create a variable. We want to the Manoj. So just we through the before and we name. We got it Manoj. So we just want to the Manoj. If you want like the all the names, name, Pun, Sony, Manoj, Amit, Sanjeev, and respective age in the company. So we need loop. So just here we put the loop command. Use the loop command. So there is the loop command. Where we that's the time. So we run the six times. we just put the dynamics. So create counter. The ID. Second is the name. Third one is the is. Fourth one is the company. Here we need change the column name because the ID showing in 11 column. So let's put the A. Name C is D column of the ID. Okay. Here need the variable operation. So we need the variable operation because the counter is increasing every time. So this needs the variable operation. Select the v counter. V counter plus 1 and save it. And just need the message box. So now we just run the Excel sheet. Sorry, run the bot. Okay, so I think on the 6th line number we got the error. Okay, no problem. Let's just go back there. Okay, maybe change. Okay, now run the bot. The first name Puneet, second Sony, third Manoj, corresponding the keys in Google, fourth one the Amit, and sixth is the Sanjeev. Okay, so we achieve our goal, and we also like here the we just uh, fix the row number like the 610. If you want like not we don't know how much the rows in a Excel sheet and how much we just need to the run. So in that condition, we just use the get all cell values. Get all cell, and can use. So through the get all cell and using the start loop, each row in Excel dataset. So if in Excel dataset there is that 100 rows, yeah, 10 rows, yeah, if you have like the 1000 rows, yeah, 500, 300. So in which case we didn't need to put the condition where we just run the 6 times or 7 times. We don't know ki how much the times we need to run. So in that condition, we use the start loop and use the sub command each row in Excel data set. So we achieve your goal. So in this session, we achieve data from the Excel sheet through with using the Excel commands as well the loop command and the variable operation. So thanks for watching my video, and if you like, so please hit the like button and subscribe my channel Programming School. Thank you.